Hi everyone, I am Jigna.
And I am Jia.
Welcome to my channel. As you all know, home is where the comfort is, and the real comfort lies in simple but smart living.
Yeah, so with this note, we are going to start our informative video which is on Havells Carnation Eye Ceiling Fan, which we would rather call it as a ceiling fan.
So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. As you all know, no home in India is complete without ceiling fan. Whether you go to the smallest towns, villages or any cosmopolitan cities, you will find fans everywhere. Though it's a necessity, fans can be made a decorative element of your home decor. Havells' range of designer fans is infused with creative and decorative look to impart a special feel to your ceiling. That's why we call it a feeling fan.
I have ordered Havells Carnation Eye 1200 ceiling fan in the shade white copper. It works with Alexa and also works with Google Assistant. Operate from anywhere within home and outside home. Quite handy and reachable. Along with 1200 sweep, it also has smart access from iOS and Android phones, sleep mode, up to 8 hours timer setting, multi-user access, automatic on or off, 5-level speed control, breeze mode, control operation and 2 years guarantee. Seems quite riveting.
Havells India Limited, a brand synonymous with a variety of products, offers a variety of ceiling fans which are backed by most advanced technology. These fans offer a superior air delivery with a very low voltage. So without any delay, offer your home a designer makeover with these decorative fans from the house of Havells.
With the accessibility to the online world, you can buy these fans just by sitting at your home.
Now, this is how we have received the packaging.
Now I am going to tell you why we have chosen this particular fan. Carnation Eye has a smart mode which senses temperature and humidity and changes its speed accordingly. An IoT enabled smart fan with iOS and Android mobile phones with internet connectivity at customers' home.
It is also accessible with Alexa and Google Home connectivity just with your voice commands. Now since the fan is connected to the Alexa device, I will show you how to operate the fan using the voice command. Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Alexa, fan speed 2.
Okay.
Alexa, fan speed 5.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the fan.
Okay.
I find it quite convenient because our children are tend to forget to turn off the fan frequently. Now Carnation Eye is quite user friendly. Now Jia will tell you why.
Yes, because it has different modes like smart mode, sleep mode, breeze mode and schedule mode, etc. for better user experience.
I would say that the fan is really powerful, at the same time silent too. It has double ball bearing and 100% copper wire motor along with 2 years warranty. Really worth buying it.
It can automatically off or on from the scheduler mode from your smartphone app.
You can download the Havels Digitap from Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the instructions and enjoy the convenience.
It has 390 revolutions per minute and produces air delivery at 235 cubic meter per minute.
It also has a timer setting for 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours through app. Now that is another user-friendly criteria.
I hope you like our today's video.
If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share it with your friends and please subscribe to our channel and do comment if you have any queries.
Also hit the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will be notified. Till then, bye everyone.